Sunbelt Fire knows how much everyone in your community depends on you and your department to save and protect lives every day. And to do that, your department has to be able to depend on your trucks to perform exactly as needed at a moment's notice. When lives are at stake, you have to know that every engine, every transmission, every pump, and every platform performs as needed when the tone goes out. That's why at Sunbelt Fire, our service department offers an expanded set of capabilities to keep all your apparatus in top working order. Whether in our well-equipped service centers in Fairhope, Alabama or Houma, Louisiana, or right at your firehouse via our fully equipped service fleet, Sunbelt Fire's EVT and NFPA 1911 certified technicians can diagnose, repair, overhaul, and field test nearly any maintenance issue quickly and competently. In addition, we offer NFPA certified inspection services for fire pumps, custom and commercial pumpers, and aerial ladders and platforms that meet or exceed all NFPA 1901 and 1911 requirements. Even collision repair is available, along with refurbishment and upgrade services, so you can get the most out of older vehicles while ensuring their safety and dependability. We offer 24-hour technical support and extensive fire apparatus parts inventory, total warranty support, and 24/7 toll-free emergency truck down hotline. Whether you need repairs, preventative maintenance, refurbishment, or inspections, Sunbelt Fire stands ready to service all your vehicles. Thank you for all that you do, and we look forward to serving you soon.